Hello everyone, so how do you move your keyboard on your screen wherever you want? I will teach you in this video. So now go to any chat, open your keyboard and click on the three dots on middle right corner. Can you see many options here? You have to click on modes, and once you click it you get three modes here. Standard keyboard, which we usually use. Other is one-handed keyboard. Third one is floating keyboard. Okay, so this is interesting. Now that I clicked on one-handed keyboard, so the keyboard has been squeezed to the right hand side. I can switch it to the left hand side as well as per comfortability, right? And you can change it as well. Like this is the standardized one, the one which was covered with full screen. This is the one. And if I click on the one-sided, it will squeeze to right or left. And this is the floating one which I just clicked. So I can hold the keyboard and place it anywhere on my screen. And not just on WhatsApp, we can use these keyboards on any app, right? Wherever we have option of typing, and this can be useful if some part of your screen is not working and you want your keyboard to be somewhere else, or you want to see the lower area, right? So standard keyboard, one-handed keyboard, and floating one, and the ones which we covered in the previous video. I hope this helped you to experiment with your keyboards and keep it as per your comfortability. See you in the next video. Till then, watch other previous video. Ta-da!